Hello everybody, it's Sunday evening. Spain are now playing Argentina in the World Cup. Second half, 0-0, but I've just come out to get my birds in because it's now quarter to 10. And this is pretty dark for these babies. They've not had a dark drop like this before. Let's just get some. Oh, I can't find my tin. There it is. Let's put the lights on. That would help, wouldn't it? Right. The lights are on. The birds are there. They've been up since 2 o'clock. Let's see if we can get these down. There's a fly today. I'm sure I was told there's a fly this weekend. So people are still flying their birds till, well, God knows when. But yeah, there's an NTU fly today. Thought they were going to land then. Let's put the other lights on. Just put these ones on. Yeah, they're on. Yeah, this is the darkest these birds have dropped. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, jump down from there, please. Oh, there we go. Come on. I might have said before, now I've got coloured tipplers. It's hard to just let the droppers out without the tipplers coming through. Oh yeah, I've got one left in there, look. Come on. There we go. So there's 9 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And just give them some food. Right, let's get these let's see if we can get the droppers in. Put the light on. Oh, one's got out the door. That's probably the baby. I'd say that's the baby up there trying to get in there. Come on. Oh, nearly. Yep. Go on. Yeah, it's the baby. Baby dropper. Right. Go and give these some food. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Will I let them out again tomorrow? Probably will. Yeah. Baked bean tin almost full. Oh, it sounds like some food still on there. Yeah, that's all right. Let's let them eat them beans up. Come on. Come on. Come on in. Almost, what was it? Almost 8 hours there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, almost 8 hours. Probably could have gone till 10, but it's now 10 to 10. And would I have got them in the dark? Maybe not. I might have done. Might have got 1 or 2, but wouldn't have guaranteed I got them all down. So I didn't want to spoil them. Come on, Em. Come on. Come on, Em. Come on. Right, we'll go back in and see how the crappy football's getting on. Not that I watch much football. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.